Hi Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Aries, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of August. Aries. Aries, please. Magician. For Aries, please. No more messages. Ay, ano nang nangyayari? For Aries, please. Aries. Aries. Movement, action. Oops. Okay. Oops. Okay. Okay, Aries, meron kang aksyon. Madaming mga opportunities na paparating sa inyo when it comes sa kaperahan, sa security ng inyong future or security ng inyong finances. Okay? May mga trabaho na mag-offer sa inyo. Okay? Mga magagandang opportunities actually. Okay? May mga invitations, they like you, and at the same time may mga tao din na may mga inggit sa inyo, okay, because of your success. Okay? Yeah. Huwag kayo magpaapekto sa mga tao na hindi maganda ang sinasabi about you. Huwag paapekto sa mga insecurities ng ibang tao, okay? Because you are receiving a lot of attention, you are receiving invitations, you are doing well, you look good, okay? May glow up, you are glowing, you are beautiful, okay? You are capable of almost everything and anything na binibigay or binabato sa inyo. You are very talented, okay? Yeah. Yes, you are manifesting something good, okay? You are the magician. Meron kang kakayahan, skills, capabilities, and abilities to get success, okay? That's why kinainggitan ka. Yeah. For some of you, nabibigyan nyo ng mga opportunities yung ibang tao because of your success, okay? Nabibigyan nyo ng money. Nabibigyan nyo sila ng security and safety para sa future nila. Parang ang dami mong inaayos, ang dami mong responsibilities. And yeah, ang dami mong responsibilities, ang dami mong inaayos. But you will be able to accomplish it. Okay, matatapos mo yan. You need help also. Okay, you need help. You need support. Okay, do not do it all by yourself, Aries. Sa trabaho man to, sa negosyo, sa career. You are doing well. Yan. Meron kayong offers na matatanggap or invitations, no? Yan. Invitations to for a work. Invitation to sa mga events. Okay? Kasal. Or for some of you, merong someone na mag-o-offer sa inyo or mag-express ng feelings. It is something stable. Okay? A serious one. Yeah. But ang problem is, it seems that you're not yet ready. You feel na parang mas madami ka pang inaatupag, marami ang may kailangan sa'yo, marami kang responsibilidad, maraming umaasa sa inyo, and you feel na parang napoburden, nasi-stress ka sa ganitong sitwasyon. Yung iba sa inyo, you have problems about conceiving, okay? About getting pregnant, may problem kayo doon. You feel na parang added responsibility or mahati ang inyong ginagawa, ang inyong attention. Okay? That's why you are a little bit undecided. Okay? Parang nape-pressure ka, nasi-stress ka. But you will be able to overcome it, Aries. Okay? Yeah. You are someone that is powerful and capable, okay? Financially, you have the authority, okay? Sa trabaho man to, okay, sa inyong ginagawa, you are also very creative. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are thinking or may concerns about sa negosyo. Okay. And parang hindi mo na alam kung makakayanan mo pa ba, maatupag mo pa kung may mga concerns about sa business mo because ang dami mong ginagawa. Okay. You are a decision maker. Yeah. Merong ibang offer din about partnership. And pinag-iisipan mo pa. Partnership in love, okay, or in business. It is something na parang hindi mo pa fully ma-accept or mabigyan ng atensyon or panahon dahil marami kang ginagawa, okay? Yeah. You need help, okay? But you are manifesting something good. Meron kang goals na inaabot ngayon and you have the capabilities. You will be victorious in achieving it, okay? Meron kang tinatrabaho and ma-achieve mo yon, yung success na yon. Okay? Kung meron kang negosyo na malulaunch siya ngayong buwan ng August. Okay? Or meron kang gustong gawin na projects, personal projects, or creative projects. Kailangan mo ilabas, ipakita yan. Okay? I-launch mo siya this month. You will be successful. Kung ano man yung hard work mo na yan, it will be paid off. Okay? The Magician. The Magician. Yeah. So, balance your emotions, okay? Maintain harmony in your situation, in your relationship as well, business relationship, okay, or love relationship, okay. Yeah. And you are also waiting for the right timing. Yeah. Be patient, Aries, in this month of August, okay? Malalagpasan mo din. Kung ano man tong hard work mo to, it will be rewarded, okay? Kung creative projects mo man to, special project na inyong ginagawa, be patient. You are reaching the finish line, okay? Yeah. Yeah, so madaming offers, no? Opportunities para sa inyo and pinag-iisipan nyo to. Do not procrastinate. This is something na it's going to be a complex decision, no? Complicated a bit. But you need to be wise also, okay? At kung ano man to, kailangan mong pagtrabahuin ng maayos. Okay? May mga options. Meron kang kailangan pagpilian. Okay? Na mga opportunities. Okay? Be careful in choosing or in reviewing those opportunities para sa'yo. Okay? Tingnan mo kung ano yung beneficial na may dudulot sa inyo for the long term. Okay? Trabaho man to ang pinagpipilian ninyo. Okay? Yeah, so may kailangan kayong i-assess in that opportunity for some of you. Pag-aralan ng mabuti. Okay? Yeah. Decision. Yeah. You don't know which one to accept. Okay? Kung relationship man to, yeah, someone is expressing or proposing a wedding sa inyo to be his or her wife, okay? Just take what resonates, pero hindi mo alam on what to do about this, okay? Parang you're not yet sure. Yeah, you're not that yet confident, okay? Parang may mga may iniisip ka mga negative na nagbablock sa inyo to move things forward. Okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, yeah, you are thinking if pinag-iisipan mo pa kung, or pinag-iisipan nyo pa if you're going to get pregnant or not. No? Knight of Pentacles, yeah. You're thinking about the stability, about the future. Yeah. Yeah, someone wants a commitment with you. Okay? Gusto niya maging stable, nag-offer siya ng stability when it comes to relationship. Okay? They want you, he or she wants you to be yung lifetime partner niya na. Okay? He or she wants to settle with you. Okay? You're thinking about it. Parang nasistress ka sa ganitong sitwasyon. Kasi madami ka pang ginagawa, madami ka pang projects, busy ka sa work, marami mga opportunities at the same time na dumadating sa inyo. So you don't know how to deal with the situation. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you're not even sure about this person. Parang tinitingnan mo pa. Kinikilatis mo pa siya. Ina-assess mo pa yung magiging sitwasyon mo sa kanya, Aries. Okay. 10 of Wands, please. 10 of Wands. Yeah. Ace of Wands. Okay. Yeah. So, yung iba sa inyo merong difficulties about conceiving. Okay. Or you are too much busy, madami kang ginagawa, stress ka na, that's why hindi ka nabubuntis. Okay? This is for some of you. Yeah. You lack time of passion. You lack time. Kulang ka sa time para maging passionate ka and all that. Okay? Dahil stress ka. Yeah. Yeah. So, be patient also. And you're just waiting for the right timing about the situation. So, balance your emotion. If you are trying to get pregnant, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, when it comes sa work or sa business, you are working too hard para sa stability ng career mo, ng trabaho mo, or ng negosyo mo. Okay? Yeah. Magkakaroon ka din ng expansion. Okay? Konting push na lang. Okay? And you will receive, you will be victorious, there will be growth and expansion. You are close to the finish line. Okay? Yeah. So, be patient. Okay? Kung anong gusto mo mangyari, mangyayari yun. You will be victorious. Just be patient. Okay? Be considerable also sa inyong mga situation sa paligid mo. Okay? Balance your emotion, your anger, your temperance. Okay? Temper your anger, your emotions. Okay? Magkakaroon din ng magandang resulta ang inyong ginagawa. Let's see, ano pa yung ibang messages for Aries, please? Yeah. You are thinking a lot of options also. You are deciding on things. Okay? Kung anong pwedeng gawin. Kailangan mo ng desisyon para sa stability, para masustain ang inyong ginagawa. Masustain ang inyong status, ang finances, okay? Or ma-maintain, yes. Pero may mga offers sa inyo or invitation and pinag-iisipan mo pa. Okay. So, trust your intuition also, Aries. Be confident in making a decision. Moon, changes in your life. Okay. Merong mga changes or pagbabago sa buhay mo. Sa career man yan or sa dynamics ng inyong buhay sa trabaho or business. Ooh. Heart, love, deep affection, and caring. Okay. Someone needs your love and affection. They need your care, Aries. Candle, you will be shown the way. Okay, you will be enlightened. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be receiving a solution. Okay? Paano man yung mga concerns or issues or problema ninyo. Okay? Scissors, disappointment in some affair. Okay, that's for some of you. Yeah, because, may disappointment, cutting of cords, disconnection. Because you are disappointed or frustrated in the situation. Okay? Funnel, period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Yeah, you are frustrated. May mga leksyon na ibibigay sa inyo yan. Okay? Be aware of that. Learn from your lesson. Kung meron mang mga disappointments and hurts, it is meant to make you stronger. But, take care. Enemies are working against you. So, may mga inggit, may mga enemies, may mga tao na disapprove sa inyong ginagawa or hindi gusto ang inyong ginagawa. Merong inggit. Okay? So, be aware of that. Ingatan ang inyong sarili. Protect yourself. Protect your money, your wealth. Protect your energy. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano pa yung message for Aries, please? Aries. Be clear about where you are putting your focus right now. Focus on your desired outcome. You have everything within to create the life of your dreams. Stop doubting yourself for once. This is your time. We've got you. Okay? Yeah. So, stop doubting yourself for once. This is your time. Alright? So, these are the messages for you. Aries, maraming salamat sa iyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!